Can your soon-to-be ex-spouse or their attorney face sanctions if they make false accusations against you?
Well, it's interesting. I get this question a lot too. We have a lot of parents that say, you know, my spouse or my neighbor or my friend, whomever it was, made up these allegations against me. They were malicious and they were designed to hurt my relationship with my child. In those circumstances, the goal of the parent is really, you know, spite and venge, and they're angry and they're hostile about it. But what I always tell people is, unfortunately, there is a statute that protects people that make disclosures or allegations of child abuse. There is immunity for any person that gives a claim of child abuse to the state to investigate, because they don't want to chill the effect of people making those types of allegations that they could be sued for them. Now, that being said, there are certain remedies that are available. If you're involved in a relationship where you assert that there's been domestic violence, sometimes you can go into court and you can ask the court to review the records from previous child abuse findings. I had one case where a client of mine actually had been accused 9 times by her former boyfriend, 9 times in a period of about 6 months. Every time they would close an investigation, he would call and make another report, and he was not the smartest guy, so he would tell them who he was, and so they were able to identify. Ultimately, we got a restraining order for her because we got the CPS records. The records showed that he was the one calling. None of the referrals had any basis whatsoever, but each one of them required her to take time off of work and submit to evaluations by the agency and have to deal with them. And of course, the child was harmed because the child had to be questioned each time that they came out. So ultimately, we were able to get access to those records to show that there was a pattern, and in that way we got some relief from my client. But you don't necessarily get a money judgment for that. She did get my counsel fees paid, which of course I always appreciate, but you know, she did not get any type of additional compensation.